Hello students, good morning to all. This video admit the continuation of the arithmetic progression. I have made the 3 videos on the nth term, means the Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This video I am going to make for sum of first n terms of the AP. Sorry. So this I have taken the book, as you know, this is the M.L. Agrawal Understanding Mathematics by Arya Publication or Avichil Publishing House. So in this book I will take the exercise 9.3 arithmetic and geometric progression. So this exercise contains the sum of first n terms of an AP. How to find the sum first n terms? As you know, there are the terms T1, T2, T3, T4, etc. up to Tn. So if you add all these terms like this up to Tn, what you will get? This represents the Sn. Means nth term must sum to n terms, means all the terms you add, and this formula used from the beginning, not from the end. मतलब अगर कहीं लिखा कि from end the find the sum of the 30 terms from the end, then you cannot use this one. Only if the sum of the 30 terms from the first terms, from the beginning, then you can use. So this is the way. But if you add these terms, then you will get the formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum to n terms. After means one more formula you can use. This is about the last term. If you don't have the common difference, the last term is u, means L. So in this case, this formula is used like this: n by 2 a plus L, and as you know, the L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this you find the number of terms by using this formula, and then put here L and the first term, you will get the Sn, that the required sum. Now how to find the value? In this case I tell you the questions. Exercise 9.3. Find an AP the following APs. Find the sum of the following APs. And here the APs are given. Suppose the question number 1, second part, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, up to 11 terms. You have to find the sum up to 11 terms. Means directly you will use the formula Sn is equal to. So first the count the value of first term, that is 1 by 15. Then the common difference 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. This will be 60 is the LCM. 5 minus 4 means 1 by 60. This is the common difference, and the n is equal to 11. So you will use S11, means n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value. So in place of n, 11, 2 into 1 by 15 plus 10 d. D means 1 by 60. Like this. And then simplify. This on simplification you will get S11 is equal to 11 by 2 in bracket 2 by 15, 1 cancel, 1 0 0, so 1 by 6, 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6, and then take LCM. So what is the LCM in this case? 11 by 2, 30 is the LCM, 4 and plus 5. So 11 into 9 by 2 into 30, and then 3 3s are 3 10s are. So you will get 33 by 20 is the answer, means sum of the 11 terms in the given series. Now the next question, second the same also, you have to find the using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. In the third one, everything is given, what is not given that you have to find. So like the third question, any part, fifth part, a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, s is equal to S is equal to 192. Find D. You have to find D. So how to find? Everything is given. Use the formula S is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Everything is given. S means 192, n means 8 by 2, 2a means 3, n means 8 minus 1, that is 7, or D you have to find. 192, 2 4s are 8, 6 plus 7 D. Now 6 plus 7D is equal to 192 by 4, 4 4s are 16 and 4 8s are, so 7D is equal to 48 minus 6 means 42. So D is equal to 42 by 7, 7 6 are 42. By this way you can find this is the answer of the this question number 3, fifth part, the value of D. Then question number 5, 6, you have to find the suppose 6 and solve for x, 1 4 7 10 up to x. 1 4 7 10 up to x is equal to 287. Find the value of x. As you know, you can say this x is the last term, but before that you have to find the number of terms. So how to find the number of terms? Pehle a is equal to 1, d is equal to 3, the difference, and l is equal to x, and s n मतलब जितने भी terms हो वो 287 है. Simplify. Now use L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So x is equal to a means 1 plus n you have to find, d means 3. So it will be 1 plus 3n minus 3, or x is equal to 3n minus 2, means 3n is equal to x plus 2, or n is equal to x plus 2 by 3. This is the value of n, but you have to find the value of x. So where you will put, because one quantity is also remained 287, Sn, put there, means formula of Sn. So what is the formula of Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. use this formula, so you will get in place of Sn, I rub this, so you will get 287. N means x plus 2 by 3 by 2 means 2 will be in denominator, a means 1 or L means x. Now simplify, 3 to the 6 and then you can multiply here, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रहे हैं, 6 7s means 287 into 6, so it will be x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 42 to 1722. So x square plus 3x minus 1720 is equal to 0. Now make the factors of this 1720 such that you get the difference of the two factors is equal to 3. How to get the factors? Divide by 2, 2 8s are 16, 1 2 6 and 0, 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 5. Okay, 40 and 43 very easy, plus 43 x minus 40 x 1720 is equal to 0, and from this you can take common 40 x, 40 is common, x plus again 43 and then x minus 40 and x plus 43 is equal to 0. So x minus 40 is equal to 0 or x plus 43 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 40 and x is equal to minus 43. This quantity is not applicable because in your question the every number is positive, therefore you cannot take negative. So only this value is correct, means 40 is the answer. Next question, like question number 9. In an AP, the fourth and sixth term are 8 and 14. Fourth and sixth term 8 and 14. Find first term common difference and sum of first 20 terms. A निकालना है, D निकालना है and S20 निकालना है. You have to find these three. So easily you can find because you have done this type of question in the 9.2 exercise. T4 as you know a plus 3D and T6 means a plus 5D. By using these two equations you can solve simultaneously and you can get the value of the D and A. So D is equal to 3 and A is equal to, A means put the value of D in the equation 1 is equal to 8. So 8 minus 9 means minus 1. So minus 1 is the first term and D is equal to 3 is the common difference, these two values. After finding you find the S20 using the same formula into D, you will get S20 is equal to 20 by 2, 2 into minus 1 plus 20 minus 1, 19 into 3 means 3. So 10 -2 plus 57, so it will be 10, 55, and then this is equal to 550. This is the sum of the first sum of the first 20 terms. So by this way you can get the answer of the questions. Means using only the formulae of the AP, that is Tn is equal to L is equal to and Sn is equal to. Other questions also you can do, like question number 10, 11, 12, 13, but you do by yourself. Some questions do by yourself because you know the concept of the arithmetic progression, nth term of the arithmetic progression, sum to n terms of the arithmetic progression, everything. So according to that you can solve the questions. So do practice, and if you will do, then you will get the more marks in the examination. Thank you. Be safe.